Take out the pillar. Install the column connector into the column. Tighten the screws. Fit the bottom plate to the column. Fix with screws. Take out the crossbeam at the end against the wall. First, unscrew one of the screws. Then install the wall cord. After installing one of the screws, install the remaining screw again. Measure the installation height with a tape measure. Use a spirit level to shoot a straight line. Place the installed pillar on the wall. Check if the laser line matches the calculated height. Is the groove of the column at the same level as the laser line? Place the crossbeam above the laser line. Mark the wall cord with a marker pen. Use an impact drill to drill holes at the marked locations. Put the crossbeam back on the wall. Fix with expansion screws. Install the sink onto the crossbeam. Just align the edge of the sink with the middle of the two screws. Installation of crossbeam. Connected to the column through the slider on the crossbeam. Tighten the screws. Stand up the pillar. Take out the sink at the wall end and install it on the crossbeam. Take out the crossbeam and insert it into the connecting piece. Connect it to the horizontal beam on the wall. Tighten the screws. After the crossbeam is installed, the sink should be at exactly 90 degrees. Also check if the diagonal lines are consistent. Installation of light strip. Take out the light strip and wrap it around the sink. Take out the quick connector. Connect lines of the same color together. Screw on the connector. Install the lampshade. Installation of pivoted blades. The hooked end of the blade is installed on one side of the motor. Different labels are affixed to the crossbeam. During installation, it is necessary to follow the label prompts for installation. Install regular blades in areas without labels. Due to the particularity of motor blades, the motor blades need to be assembled by themselves. Complete the installation of the blades in sequence. Take out the linkage rod, connected to the blade through screws. Pay attention to tightening the blue rubber ring to the full extent of the screws. Take out the electrical box and connect the motor wire and the light strip wire separately. After connecting, plug in the power supply. Unscrew the screw. Take out the remote control and adjust the channel to 01. Press the up button. Motor push rod moves forward. When the push rod reaches the screw position, press the stop button. After the push rod stops, insert it into the screw. Turn back the screw. Take out the box cover and install it onto the crossbeam. Simply screw 3 2-4 self-tapping screws into the groove of each cable box cover. Install the top cover of the column and tighten the screws. Take out the impact drill and drill holes on the bottom plate of the column. Install the expansion screw and tighten it. Installation of roller blinds. Unscrew the screw. Split the track into upper track, rubber strip, and lower track. Insert the lower track into the end cover. Stand up and install it on the pavilion. The edge of the rolling shutter should be level with the edge of the pavilion beam. Make a mark on the side against the wall with a marker pen. Drill holes at the marked points with an impact drill. Insert the rubber stopper. First, thread the power cord of the rolling shutter through the opening on the pillar. Install self-tapping screws on the roller blind near the end of the column. Tighten the roller blind near the wall end with regular screws. Rubber strip installation. One end with a triangular opening facing upwards. Insert roller shutter zipper. We also need to check if all the sponges are stuffed into the track. Install the track. Tighten the screw and plug back the rubber plug. The installation method for the second and third sets of roller blinds is as follows for the first set. Rolling shutter wiring. Take out the quick connector. Connect the power cord. Take out the three-way connector and connect the main power cord, rolling shutter power cord, and the next set of power cords. The power cord connecting to the next set is usually pre-embedded in the crossbeam. Plug in the power supply. Take out the remote control. Turn the channel to 3. Press the up and down keys. Check if the roller shutter is running normally. Installation is complete.